Welcome to Dig Safely New York, the link between you and underground utility companies. What does that mean? When you place your location request through our online platform Exactix or by calling 811, you inform us of where you plan to dig for your project. Our system then notifies the utility companies in your area where you need your project marked out. It's helpful for them if you mark where you plan to dig with white spray paint. It is the utility company's responsibility to then send a locator to mark your lines. The lines are the pipes and cables that are owned by the utility company. It is important to be aware that there is always a possibility of privately owned pipes and cables on private property. You can learn about private utilities in our private services video. When pre-planning your project, please note that your ticket will expire 10 business days from your designated start date and add a 2-day waiting period that does not include the day you call. If you have any questions, you can reach out to your local field representative, visit our YouTube channel, and subscribe for more homeowner tips.